Toastmaster Mohammed Kuni, Magnificent Karnataka, Toastmaster Mohammed Kuni.
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ
ತುಂಗೆಯ ತೆನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದದಿರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಜ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. Dear TMOD, Toastmasters and
distinguished guests, wish you all a pleasant morning.
On this auspicious occasion of commemorating the Rajyotsava, you might have heard the stanza which I sang from the poem Nityotsava. As soon as you have heard Nityotsava, your mind would be conjured up with that imagination of that great poet, the illustrious son of Karnataka, Padma Shri K.S. Nisar Ahmad. Screen sharing. So this poem is really a daily celebration for every Kannadiga. Padma Shri Nisar Ahmad, he was born in 1936 and he ended his last breath in 2020, last May. And he is a household name among all the Kannadigas around the world. The charm of this poem, the lyrical quality, that choice of words, the patriotism brimming in it in each line, makes this poem a very pleasant experience and joy to hear. And if you hear any much times, you will be tempting to hear it again a zillion times. As a tribute to him, I would like to translate this poem. The poet says about the festivity and the celebration, the everlasting festive mood that is along the locations of Karnataka. First of all, in Jogada Siri Belakinalli, he says Jog Falls, which is in the
Shimoga,
is in Sagar Taluk. The Jog Falls is a tourist destination. The water that falls down to 253 meters, that's converted to electricity, and the light that's produced from the electricity is mentioning about that light. There is that celebration, the festivity mood, the everlasting festival. Now, Tungeya Tene Balukinalli. Tunga is a river that's in Shimoga. There is the Gajanur reservoir also there, which you can see. Can everyone see my screens?
Yes, Toastmasters Kuni, we can see it.
Okay. And the Balukinalli is that's the crops that produce from these irrigated lands.
and in each plant we can see the swaying of the grains.
And that's mentioned here. There also there is festivity. And in Sahyadri is the vista of that peak in Sahyadri. That's in Chikmagalur. The Sahyadri, that peak, above that there is also Lohadadira. It's filled with iron ores and other metals. Ores. There also there is festivity on the topmost tip of it. And Nitya Haridwarna is in the evergreen forests that are found in Karnataka. There is festivity and everlasting celebration. The teak and the sandalwood trees that are there. And it's in the next stanza also, it says about the thrones that has been in the past, the many kingdoms which came up there and the adventures of them, and the inscriptions on palm leaves and on the temples. Everywhere it is Nityotsava, and with vivid imagery is in the third stanza too, with
ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ. In the magnanimity of our land and in the pride of our ancestry.
Sadvikasha Nudiya Lokavrudha Simaye is saying about that wholeheartedness and that compassionate mind without beyond limits.
ಈ ವತ್ಸರ ನಿರ್ಮತ್ಸರ ಮನದುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ. This period, which is marked hateless, with magnificence of a compassionate mind.
And that all this makes this one an everlasting celebration to each and every Kannadiga. No translation will be sufficient to express that pleasantry or the joy to hear from this poem. A visionary against injustice and inequality and intolerance will be always a radiant Nityutsava to every Kannadiga throughout the state. My home state, Kerala, also is celebrating the Kerala Piravi Dinam, or state formation day today. I wish every one of you to celebrate this day with radiant, evergreen festivity, and let all of your life be full of festivity and celebrations. And thank you. Back to Chimod.
It was indeed a wonderful speech.